This is super quiet. You can barely hear it. It does have a small light over here. And I use just little clay pellets for the rocks instead of the ones that came with it. There's a small tray here underneath. It's just a small area for the rocks. Provides a very nice zen feeling to my office to help keep things nice and peaceful when I'm at work.
Alrighty, everybody, I just got my new fountain. I returned back to work from being on summer vacation. I am hoping that it brings lots of relaxation as I return back to work. It works fine, it's really quiet, and I love the soft white that it gives out. So, and it's not loud at all. And as for putting it together, I cheated a little bit. I had my son to do it for me, but it looked really easy. Instructions are in the box.